Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa and today we have an Aldi haul. Listen, I just want to say my husband makes fun of me every single time I say um, welcome friends. Is that something that is funny to you guys? Because he cracks up laughing and starts singing a song. It's the funniest thing. So anyways, let's get started. Today we have a quick little Aldi haul. Stocking up on some cereal, breakfast items, all that good stuff. So let's see what we got today. Okay, so we have the um, live free, gluten-free sea salt brown rice crisp chips. These are great for dipping in guacamole or salsa. They're wonderful to have, so we try and keep a bunch of these on hand, and the bags are kind of small, so we get a couple of those every time we pick some up. Got 3 of those. We got some breakfast items because it is the season for being busy, and sometimes you just don't feel like cooking and you just want to have some breakfast items for dinner. So got these for my son, the Berry Kids Crunch. These are pretty good. Have you guys ever tried these? These are the blueberry shredded wheat. They're pretty good. And then we got 3 boxes of that. And then we got the same, but they're strawberry. These are pretty good. Have you guys ever bought the Aldi cereal? They're very reasonable and pretty good quality. So, got a crap load of cereals. Then we got some oat milk for hubby because he doesn't drink the dairy, the regular milk. So he drinks the oat milk, which I don't particularly like. It's very thin, but he loves it. So it's much healthier for him, so good for him. And then we got some peppermint bark coffee creamer. Got 2 of those. We have 2 of the hazelnut coffee creamer. And then 2 of the Home Alone frosted sugar cookie. That's what my husband likes. This is what I like, and this is what my son likes. So we all have our flavors. So then we got some fresh ground turkey, 85.15. They upped the packaging on these to 3 pounds. It used to be 2 pounds something before, so that's pretty good. Got a little bit bigger of a package. And what else do we have? We have 2 of the half gallons of the lactose-free milk for our cereals. And then we have 6 boxes of the caramel flavored coffee pods. I have a lot of coffee now because I have the advent calendar that I've been doing with the coffee, so I have that plus this, so I'm gonna mix it in a little bit. So I've been drinking a lot of coffee lately. I don't know why I've been so tired, so I've been doubling up on my coffee drinking, which is not good, but that's what I'm doing. All right, so then we have our favorite everything sourdough bread. Some of that. And then we have some regular wheat bread. And then we have the cranberry juice, 100% cranberry juice. I love this. I just put a little bit of this in with some ice water, and it's amazing. So I was doing water with lemon, but my esophagus is not caring for that. It's tearing up my esophagus, so I switched from the lemon water to now I'm doing a little bit of cranberry juice and water to drink during the day, so that's been working out pretty good. And then hubby drinks the apple juice, so he has 100% apple juice. He's got 3 of those. So that's our haul for today. And so what is our total? 112.23. So not too bad considering we stocked up on quite a few things. And those are the things that we use the most. The coffee creamer, and the juice and stuff, and cereal. Like I said, cereal we stocked up on because we've been really busy lately, and some nights you just don't feel like cooking. So, and plus it's good to have breakfast, quick breakfast in the morning. We're not really breakfast people, but if we have a, bowl of cereal, it's quick and easy, and sometimes we do that, so. Alrighty guys, well that's it for today. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified the next time I put a video up. And yeah, right now if you're interested, I'm doing the advent calendar unboxings, and just check that out. I'll leave a link on the screen here at the end of the video if you feel like checking that out. Those are pretty fun. And yeah, until next time, stay blessed.